Welcome to Storytelling DIY. Telling a story in the moment without reading from a book or recalling a story that you already know is actually easy. All you need is a subject and a question. How did the bird lose its feather? What secret lies within this forest? Where will these dresses go? What does Jamie want? Who grew these? Look around you or go through your pictures. Even flyers and magazines can inspire. Pick one item and be with it for a while. Look at it and see it within its usual context and outside of it. What could be happening? Who is involved? Where does it happen? How does it continue? And always remember, you are telling a story. Let your imagination go free. No editing as to being logical or sensical. Keep it simple. Do a shorter story first. As you retell it, you can elaborate or let your listeners add their ideas. Enjoy the process. See you in my other storytelling DIY videos.